family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Isencane Lengani. La Uthando wants freedom but fans doubt her because kade akhuluma ukuthi uzohamba kodwa angahambi. Uthando has repeatedly expressed her desire to free herself from her marriage, but many fans remain skeptical. Since the first season of Isencane Lengani, she has spoken about leaving, yet she continued to stay. This has led to mixed emotion from viewers, with some supporting her while others questioning her sincerity. Despite her troubled relationship, Thando impresses many with her ability to articulate her thoughts clearly. She shows a level of maturity beyond her years. But when it comes to her relationship choices, fans believe she struggles to make firm decisions. One of her latest remarks about Siyacela, mentioning that he really baths and often smells sweaty, has only fueled more criticism towards him. Siyacela, on the other hand, continues to make questionable choices. While he struggles to buy himself a decent pair of jeans, he still insists of taking a second wife. His priorities has left viewers frustrated as they see him failing to take care of his existing responsibilities before pursuing more commitments. Beyond his financial struggles, many believe Siyacela's personality is a real issue. He has been repeatedly criticized for his treatment of women, displaying behavior that many find unacceptable. Despite this, some young girls still scream and cheer for him, leaving others confused about his appeal. As the drama continues on Isencane Lengani, fans are eager to see whether Thando will finally make a change or continue in the same cycle. Will she truly free herself, or is she trapped in a situation she cannot escape? Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.